Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to verify your Telegram in 1 minute or less. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Edit, and then you're going to go to Verification, and then you're going to follow the instructions here, and it's going to pop Telegram. I'm just going to open it on my desktop here, and you're going to hit Start, and it's going to say Welcome to NFD Verify Bot. Your ID is this. Please add the Telegram field to the metadata of your NFD and enter this ID. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back here. We're going to go to metadata. We're going to go down to Telegram. We're going to enter that and update. Now I need to sign a transaction on Para. Sign that. And that's all set. And now I'm going to go back to Telegram here. And it says once you've updated your NFD, come back here and run /verify and the NFD name. So I'm going to do verify fisherman.algo. It's going to check, see if I specified this ID in my NFD, and I did. So then it's going to say thank you, good job, and I can go back and check, and there you go.